Form MV-104 is used by the New York State DMV to report motor vehicle accidents. From now on, you can quickly and easily complete your Form MV-104 online. Begin by opening your form in the editor. Use the clues to fill out the relevant fields. Include your personal details and contact information. Carefully verify the information in the form for grammar and spelling. Once finished, sign the form by drawing and uploading your electronic signature. You can share the completed form by email or fax, print it out, or save it on your device. pdfFiller empowers users to create, edit, and share documents online. Offering unlimited storage, unlimited templates, and cross-platform integration, pdfFiller is the only PDF editor you'll need to get your documents done. Sign up for a free 30-day trial of pdfFiller and discover powerful PDF functionality with no obligations.